Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Leah and you're watching Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. So here's some mind-blowing, super innovative, feature and action-packed technology. The Insta360 ONE R action camera, which comes in 3 mods, has been launched today and it is like no other camera to date. This is the Insta360 ONE R, which is an adaptive action camera co-engineered with Leica AI-powered Auto Frame, which makes editing 360 videos easy. It has been launched today on the 7th of January and it is available to buy. Links for more info and where to buy from are in the description box below, and if it sells anything like the Insta360 ONE X and the Insta360 Go Mini, then I suggest you place your orders today because both sold out almost immediately, followed by a long wait before the next batch were available to buy. And guys, by all means, this Insta360 ONE R action camera is the best quality, tech and feature packed action camera to date. Today I will share with you its features, share some demo videos and pictures, and then I'll go away, play around with it and bring to you guys a more detailed review video soon. The Insta360 ONE R action camera redefines what's possible with an action camera. Each of its 3 available mods unlock breakthrough imaging and quality. The concept of the ONE R is simple. It features 1 battery, 1 processor and a selection of quick swapping lens mods. In an instant, ONE R transforms from a dual lens 360 shooter to a standard action camera. The ONE R currently offers 3 ways to shoot with 3 available lens mods: the dual lens 360 mod, the 4K wide angle mod and the 1-inch wide angle mod, co-engineered with Leica. The 1-inch wide angle mod achieves the best performance ever in an action camera, combining a 1-inch sensor with the legendary optical expertise of Leica and a 5.3K resolution in a compact, rugged body backed by Insta360's signature flow state stabilization. The dual lens 360 mod supports 5.7K capture on 2 lenses that cover every direction at once. It enables a real-time 360-degree preview on ONE R's touchscreen, whilst achieving the best colour accuracy and low light performance in any consumer 360 camera. And the 4K wide angle mod is ready for 4K at 60 frames per second. This mod captures crisp, vibrant, stabilised action and supports up to 8 times slow-mo. Its reversible design lets you flip the touchscreen from back to front in a snap, and it's perfect for getting real-time feedback when filming yourself. The ONE R X is IPX8 waterproof to depth of 5 meters. It features voice control, so it lets us control ONE R with a few simple commands. The best and the worst thing about shooting 360 videos is that you can capture an infinite number of possible angles and edits. If only there was some kind of artificial intelligence that could analyse a scene in every direction at once to find the most interesting moments and angles. Well guys, enter Auto Frame. The Insta360 has developed its own computer vision algorithm to identify the best parts of any 360 video and recommend them to the creators. There's plenty of choice, but the ONE R app's an auto frame feature which helps you quickly narrow down the shots worth considering and does the reframing for you. Now that's a big wow and much welcomed. AI-powered computer vision also enables ONE R's mind-blowing tracking capabilities. And if you don't want to wait for post-production to choose your subject, you can also use Deep Track in real time. It's like having a cameraman with you wherever you go. Now this is some innovative, mind-blowing technology. ONE R also brings back the Insta360's endlessly fun, versatile, invisible selfie stick feature. And guys, ONE R offers a range of both hardware and software upgrades to achieve best-in-class low-light performance. ONE R also supports HDR mode for both photos and videos, and creators can take advantage of the Color Plus to do an automatic one-touch color grade Now for those of us who love to vlog, especially in low light conditions, but hate the thought of carrying our kit everywhere we go, here's a major solution. When it comes to colour reproduction and low light performance, the 1-inch wide angle mod co-engineered with Leica is in a class of its own. Its 1-inch sensor brings out highlights and shadows in vivid detail. Vloggers would be tempted to leave the rest of the kit at home. All three ONE R builds come standard with onboard mic and an automatic wind reduction algorithm that achieves great sound straight out of the camera. The ONE R app comes with a range of new editing features designed to help creators take advantage of all its capabilities. The time shift hyperlapse, the new star lapse mode, and the ONE Series signature bullet time effect that has been upgraded with some horizon leveling algorithm. The ONE R doesn't stop at 3 mod. Its unique design enables a huge range of efficient add-ons and upgrades. The standard battery base can be swapped for a double-sized boosted battery base for extended shooting. And if all that you've just heard, seen and experienced is not enough, then Insta360 today also announced the groundbreaking Insta360 ONE R Aerial Edition, which offers a specialized mounting system to make supported drones completely invisible and captures an unobstructed airborne 360-degree view. Guys, the Insta360 also offers a range of pre-packaged editions that give creators everything that they need to get started with some of the most powerful combinations of mods. The Insta360 ONE R Twin Edition brings together 2 great ways to shoot: the dual lens 360 modern 4K wide angle mod in one convenient package for around $479. The Insta360 ONE R 1-inch edition comes standard with premium 1-inch wide angle mod co-engineered with Leica, costing at around $549. And guys, last but not least, the Insta360 ONE R 4K edition offers creators all they need to enjoy the versatile 4K wide angle mod for around $299. Now links for all of these and more info are in the description box below this video. In summary, the Insta360 ONE R action camera is designed to give creators, athletes and adventurers a single tool that can adapt to any shoot. Okay guys, so this was a very quick review or overview of the Insta360's ONE R action camera launched today. It's the latest mind-blowing ONE R action camera which comes in 3 mods. Do share your thoughts on it in the comment box below. Do you like it? Will it be your next purchase? Do you want to see more of these cameras on my channel? Pop a comment in the box below. And now before you guys go, don't forget we currently have 3 separate free international giveaways running on the channel, the links for which are in the description box below of my last video, the Mega Tech Special. Now good luck for those who are entering, and there's lots more where these came from. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and do follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram for the latest updates, news and giveaways, and hit that notification bell icon above to be the first to be alerted of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. Do let me know what you would like to see next on the channel. Until the next one guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.